Hello students, this is Sumit Kumar, Assistant Professor, BBA Department, Marwari College, Ranchi. Here I am with a new lecture on the topic system design, and this is in continuation of the topics of management information system. System design. In the previous lectures we have known about and discussed about system, and when we dealt with system, the examples of system is organization. A system can be any institution, and most commonly we know, when we talk about system, most commonly we know it as a computer's information system. Even human body is also a system. A system is comprised of number of subsystems, and each subsystem in itself is a system. So here our discussion is limited to system design for management information, and the person or the individuals who are authorized for system design are known as system analysts. System design is a cyclic process in which various designs of systems are documented for the purpose of further development of system. It's a process in which various alternatives of system to be implemented in the organization as a MIS or as a part of MIS are analyzed on various parameters. In a system design process, two types of system designs are prepared. The first one is conceptual system design, and the second one is detailed system design. First of all, we will discuss about the conceptual design. As the name suggests, various concepts of a particular system design is discussed and chalked out in this process. The various activities which are considered in conceptual system design are discussed as in the coming section. The first and foremost activity of conceptual system design is a review of system information and functional requirements, which means the various kinds of informations which will be dealt using the information system, as well as informations required at different functional levels. Function here means depending upon the organization's business, functions can be related to marketing, finance, HR, or other functions depending upon the, as I have said earlier, the nature of business. These should be considered keeping in view the present and future requirements. The next activity is setting system objectives. It is one of the important activity, and for setting system objectives, all the business operations are considered from the beginning. The purpose of setting objectives is that the performance or outcome of system can be evaluated by comparing them with system objectives. These, in other words, we can say these are the yardsticks for measurement or evaluation of performance. The next activity is identifying system constraints. Constraints are all about the limitations, the problems, the barriers which will be faced during the system development. If constraints are identified in an appropriate manner, then only realistic system can be developed for the organization. The next activity is determination of information needs. Obviously, the users of system can better explain information requirements, because after all they have to use the developed systems for carrying out various tasks or various functions. So they can be interviewed or data can be collected from these users for knowing about the information requirements. After this, they identify the information sources from where the information will be collected. As we have discussed in the previous activity, that users are very much important for information collection, so they serve as a source of information. The sources of information can be external as well as internal. When information are collected from various sources, then the system analyst moves to the next activity, that is about developing various alternative conceptual designs. Conceptual design is a model of system to be developed. The conceptual design, this model in itself consists of inputs, outputs, procedures, and details of databases, models to be used through the use of various tools of representation, such as data model, flowchart, etc. These various alternatives are compared with each other on the basis of cost-benefit analysis, the strength of database, the potential chances of breakdown, etc., for reaching to the best alternative. After the comparing of various alternative conceptual system designs, system analyst reaches to the best alternative, and this alternative conceptual design is documented. It is given the form of document. This document in itself consists all the inputs, details of processes and processing, and various other documents like activity sheets and system description. The last activity in the conceptual system design process is preparation of final report and presentation of this report to top level management. Once they determine the best alternative conceptual system design, they prepare a report which contains all the necessary information related to conceptual system design, the basis for selection of particular conceptual system design, time and resources required for detailed system design, and various other important aspects. The purpose behind preparation of this report is that they require to get approval from the top level management to move towards detailed system design. So this was all about the conceptual system design part, and in the next lecture we'll deal about the detailed system design. Thank you.